Many marketers do not put much attention on their Instagram profile, but your profile is a big key to your success when it comes to affiliate marketing on Instagram. Okay, and you may or may not know this, but when you're posting on Instagram, you're not allowed to put links in your posts unless you have a business account on Instagram. Okay, so that leaves you with your profile and in your bio section. This is the only place where you can place your affiliate link. And when you place that affiliate link, make sure you mask it or cloak your affiliate link because less people will click on it if they think that it's an affiliate link. Okay, so when you're setting up your profile, you want to stand out from the crowd so you can gain more followers and potentially get big brands to want to work with you. And when it comes to your username, make sure you choose a good one that people will remember so that they don't have to search hard to find you.